Be ready. 5 seconds.
Food gives life to living beings. All of us eat food every day. Food is an essential component of our daily life. We see diversity in traditional food consumed in various states of our country. You may find that some food items are common in many states, while some are eaten only in a particular state. The traditional food of any state is usually based on the crops grown in that state. India is an agricultural country with diverse soil and climate types. Various crops are grown in its different regions depending on the soil types and climatic conditions. In various regions of India, the choice of food may vary according to the cultivation of food crops in that particular region, taste preferences, culture, and traditions. Our food choices as well as practices of food preparation may differ from one another. Cooking practices, also called culinary practices, have changed over time. There is a significant difference between traditional and modern culinary practices. Earlier, most cooking was done using a chulha. Nowadays, most of us cook using a modern gas stove. Earlier, most grinding was done manually. These days, we use an electrical grinder for ease of grinding. Why have these culinary practices changed over time? These changes may be due to factors such as technological development, improved transportation, and better communication. Medu and Mishti visit the traditional food festival organized in their school. The theme of the festival is Eat Healthy, Live Healthy. The festival features various stalls displaying different kinds of traditional dishes. A nutritional expert explains to students that health is the ultimate wealth. We feel tired and less energetic when we do not eat for some time. Why do you think a marathon runner drinks glucose water during and after a race? Glucose provides instant energy. Glucose is an example of a carbohydrate. They are one of the primary sources of energy in our diet. Cereals like wheat, rice, and maize, vegetables like potato and sweet potato, and fruits like banana, pineapple, and mango are some sources of carbohydrates. Why do you think we prefer to have laddus as a part of our traditional diet in winters? Wheat flour and ghee are among the main ingredients of laddus along with edible gum, nuts and seeds. Ghee and various kinds of oils are grouped under another kind of food component which is called fat. Sources of fats can be from plants or animals. Nuts such as groundnuts, walnuts, coconuts, and almonds, and seeds such as pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds are some sources of fat. Fat is a source of stored energy. Carbohydrates and fats provide us energy for performing various activities. Proteins are also an important part of our food. Milk products and pulses are good sources of protein. Sports persons need proteins in larger quantities to build their muscles. People get proteins from plants as well as animals. Some excellent plant sources of protein are pulses, beans, peas, and nuts. Animal sources of protein are milk, paneer, egg, fish, and meat. These foods help in growth and repair of our body. The right amount of protein must be included in the diet of growing children for their proper growth and development. Edible mushrooms are good sources of protein. Why do you think we are advised to include servings of fruits and vegetables in our daily diet? Let us understand. Bleeding and swollen gums are symptoms of a disease called scurvy. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C present in citrus fruits like lemons and oranges helps in curing this disease. Vitamins and minerals are two groups of food components that protect our body from various diseases. But how can we overcome vitamin and mineral deficiency diseases or disorders? Food components that provide energy, support growth, help repair and protect our body from diseases, and maintain various bodily functions are called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are also called protective nutrients. These nutrients protect our body from diseases and keep us healthy. Your parents may have advised you to have milk, green vegetables, fruits, and whole grains regularly. These food items are some sources of vitamins and minerals. Although vitamins and minerals are required in small amounts, they are essential to keep our body healthy. What differences do you observe in raw and cooked vegetables? Some nutrients like vitamin C and others are lost during cooking due to high heat. Would it not be wise to include fruits and uncooked vegetables into our diet? Washing cut or peeled vegetables and fruits may also result in the loss of some vitamins. However, it is highly recommended that all fruits and vegetables be thoroughly washed before consumption. Fruits and vegetables are rich in dietary fibers. In addition to the essential nutrients, our body needs dietary fibers and water. Dietary fibers do not provide any nutrients to the body. However, they are an essential component of our food. They help our body get rid of undigested food and ensure smooth passage of stools. Dietary fibers in our food is provided mainly by suitable plant products. Green leafy vegetables, fresh fruits, whole grains, pulses, and nuts are good sources of dietary fiber. Eating food that is locally grown and plant based to the extent possible is not only healthy for the body but is also good for our environment and our planet. Water is also an essential part of our diet. It helps the body absorb nutrients from food. It removes waste from the body through sweat and urine. We should drink sufficient water regularly to keep ourselves healthy. A diet that has all essential nutrients, dietary fiber, and water in the right amount for proper growth and development of the body is known as a balanced diet. Some foods have high calories due to high sugar and fat content. Moreover, they contain very low amounts of proteins, minerals, vitamins, and dietary fibers. These foods are called junk foods.